Hello and welcome to Gate Overflow. This video will basically help you in understanding that how you can download the PDF of Gate Overflow from its website, and then I will also show you that what special features does Gate Overflow provide you with their PDF so that your entire experience while dealing with this PDF becomes easy and hassle-free. So let's start with it then. Firstly, you just need to go to the official website of Gate Overflow, for which you need to type gateoverflow.in and you will reach there. So this is the official website of gateoverflow.in. As you can see, it has a quite easy and user-friendly interface. So what you simply got to do is click on this Gate Overflow PDF tab and a new tab shall open. Here, if you scroll down a bit, you will see the heading which says Gate CSE Book Update May 2021. So what Gate Overflow has done is that they have divided the entire syllabus of Gate CSE branch into 3 volumes as mentioned here as Volume 1, Volume 2 and Volume 3. The Volume 1 of these 3 volumes is currently available, and this Volume 1 covers the subjects of engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics and general aptitude. The other 2 volumes shall be uploaded here soon, latest by June 20 and 30 respectively. Now you need to click on this highlighted text or link just below the heading which says Volume 1 PDF to download the Volume 1 of this book. On clicking this, you will be directed to a GitHub site where you need to click on the name of the book for Gate CSE 2022 Volume 1. A menu will drop down. In this drop down menu, you need to click on the link which says volume1.pdf. Your PDF will start to download as soon as you click on this link, and it will get stored in the download section on your PC. Now you are all ready to finally open the PDF. What we suggest is that you should open this PDF using the option Open with Chrome or Open with Microsoft Edge, so that you can utilize the entire features that the Gate Overflow PDF offers you. So this is how exactly the Gate Overflow PDF can be downloaded and opened. Now finally, coming over to the PDF, you can see that it's the Gate Overflow PDF for Gate CSE and especially for Gate 2022. Now if we scroll down a few pages, we will reach here on the table of contents page that mentions the subjects that are included in this Volume 1, which are discrete mathematics, engineering mathematics, and the last one, which is general aptitude. Now what's special and unique here is that every main topic and subtopic that is mentioned here is clickable. That is, one can directly reach to that particular specific page or topic which they want to read, and he or she doesn't need to waste time scrolling all the way down to that particular topic or page manually. So what I'm trying to say is, suppose you want to read this topic of absolute value here in under general aptitude. So instead of going manually to page 373 all by yourself, what you can do is just click on this topic and you will reach directly to that page of absolute value under general aptitude. This can save you a lot of your precious time and energy, which are the most required things while preparing for any competitive exam, and especially when it's GATE. Now suppose you're solving the questions and then you want to check your answer with the correct one. Then once again, you don't have to scroll down manually all the way to the answer page. What you got to do is simply click on this answer button or tab, and you will be directed to the page where the answer or the solution to that particular question is mentioned. See how easy and hassle-free it is to move around in this PDF. And if you again want to move back to the question which you were solving before, you just got to click on the question heading here and you will reach back to the page where all the questions were mentioned. Now suppose you are reading something on this page, but you want to see the index and want to move to some other topic or some other page. So this also can be done very easily. What you get to do is simply click on this icon which says document outline. This will open this dialog box which has the index for you, where every topic is mentioned, and by clicking on this arrow you can also view the subtopics under this broad topics. Like we have here discrete mathematics, engineering mathematics, and the last one general aptitude. So this is basically the replica of that table of contents page which we just saw in the start of the PDF. Thus you need to worry about nothing, because this index can be kept still and active even when you are moving through the pages of the PDF. See, it's still active while I am moving the pages of the PDF. It still remains intact here. Now, Gate Overflow also allows you to discuss with others your doubts regarding any question you might want to ask, or if you have a little different approach towards a question. So what exactly do you need to do here is that you need to click on this heading of the question which you want to see, and as soon as you click on this heading you will be directed to a web page where the question which you just selected is mentioned. Here if you scroll down you will be able to see solutions to this very question by a number of other GATE aspirants, and you can even comment back to any of these solutions or any of these GATE aspirants here and clear all your doubts. You can even post your own comment or your own approach to a question so that you are clear with the topic and all your doubts are resolved. So see, that's how easy and cool it is to use the Gate Overflow PDF, which can save you from a lot of your worries and can save you a lot of your time as well. And it's also the best option for those who don't like to study using PDFs because of its complexity and not so easy interface.